Hola, muy buenos días a todos. Good morning to all my pilgrims who want to go on the Camino knowing Spanish. So I congratulate you that you made it to this test. So we have gone through episodes 1 through 6, and today we are going to take a little oral test. Now, if you would like to take the test in writing as well, go on the description of this video, the video description, and you will find the test. You can download it and test yourself. It even has an answer key that goes with it. So let's do this now. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions from each of the episodes. Okay, all right, let's do it. Okay, how do you say good evening? That's right, buenas noches. Okay, how do you say, where are you from? Okay, ¿de dónde eres? Okay, how do you say, nice to meet you? Mucho gusto. All right, how do you say, do you speak English? Habla inglés. All right, how do you say, where is the hostel? ¿Dónde está el albergue? All right, how do you say, where is the camino? ¿Dónde está el camino? Okay. How do you say, how many kilometers are left to the next town, that is? ¿Cuántos kilómetros faltan? That's right. All right. How do you say, I am lost? Hopefully you'll never get lost, but how do you say, I'm lost? Estoy perdido. That's right. And females say, estoy. That's right. Perdida. Okay. How do you say, where can I stamp my credential, my pilgrim's passport? Okay, ¿dónde puedo sellar mi credencial? All right. Okay, moving along. How do you say, I want to stay one night at the hostel, that is? Okay, quiero quedarme una noche. Okay, how do you say, where's the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? All right. How do you say, do y'all have Wi-Fi? I Wi-Fi? I Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay. How would you say, what time is breakfast? ¿A qué hora es el desayuno? That's right. Okay. How do you say, do you have the pilgrim's menu? Tienen menú del peregrino. Very good. How do you say, the bill, please? La cuenta, por favor. All right. How do you say, it was delicious? Estaba delicioso. Okay, very good. How do you say, let's see, a coffee with milk? Un café con leche. That's right. All right. How do you say, my foot hurts? Okay, me duele el pie. How do you say, I have a blister? Tengo una ampolla. Okay. How do you say, can you help me? Puede ayudarme. Okay. How do you say, I'm sick? Estoy enfermo. Or estoy enferma for females. Okay. And how do you say, where is the bus station? Okay. ¿Dónde está la estación de autobuses? That's right. How would you say, how much is the ticket to León? Okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta un billete a León? Okay. How do you say, does this bus go to Burgos? Este autobús va a Burgos. Very good. Okay. And how would you say, where can I find a taxi? Okay. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar un taxi? Okay, if you were able to answer my questions, then you are doing well. If not, what you need to do is go back to episodes 1 through 6 of this mini course and yeah, study. So download the study list, which is in the description of episode 6, and then take the test again, probably on paper would be better. But if you really know the words, then you should be able to watch this video again and maybe a couple more times until you're able to answer all of my questions. Okay, so if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate that. And yeah, this is Camino Teacher, and I will see you in the next video. All right, everybody, have a good day.